Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to design the greeting card. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can start to think about the day or the special day that you would like to give the or create the greeting card. For example, we need to know about the special day that usually commemorate, whether that national level or international level. And since I have tried to research before, so here I found the closest special day that usually commemorate. The day would be the World Teachers' Day, usually commemorate every 5 October. And since today is the 6th October, so it will be the closest day. So we will create the greeting card about the World Teachers' Day. How about that? So the tool that we will use is Canva, and don't worry guys, because this Canva can be also installed into your Android phone or also the iOS phone, and even can be accessed from your PC to get more spacious view, and it will be also easier to do the editing. But it is very okay if you would like to create it from scratch with Canva here. And don't forget to do the login first with your email to do the editing. And after that, you can also searching for the inspiration of the greeting card. You can click the template here. And after that, you will find the several design into this section and you can do the editing with it. Or you can also create or searching for the greeting card with the AI that has been provided by this Canva. For example, I have tried to generate this the greeting card about the World Teachers' Day, and you can simply type into this section, and here I will show you the history of the conversation with this Canva AI. For example, this one, design me the greeting card about the World Teachers' Day that is commemorated on 5 October in 2020, or it should be 2025. But it is okay if you would like to create this greeting card for the next year. So there you will see the several design like this. There is this one with a heartfelt gratitude, happy World Teachers' Day. Or you can also choose this one. And after that, you can start to add let's say, your favorite picture into this section. And for example, I would like to choose this one, use Canva editor. And kindly wait for the uploading process so it will be ready to be edited, and also make sure that your connection is good guys. And for example, I will start to change this picture. For example, I would like to change this. You can select this picture first and click replace here, and it will direct you into the section about the image that you have in the gallery. And for example, I will choose this one, and voila, the picture will be uploaded instantaneously into this section. And for example, I will do the editing here. Happy World Teachers day, like this. And you can also add the additional text. For example, I will copy this style of this text. As you can see, when I click this section, so this text or these two texts has been grouped into one. So I need to ungroup it first, so it will be ready to be edited. And after that, I will select this text and I will slightly zoom in. I will give it double click and copy this text. Give it a hold for a second and select all and copy. And after that, I will paste the text into this section. After copying it, you can click text here and you can click add a text box. And after that, you can go back a little while and you can drag this text into this section. And for example, you can add the text into this section and I will zoom it to make it easier to be edited. And I will do the editing. For example, we love you. Mr. Brand, for example. And you can also change the color. Select all the text first. Select all and click this A and there is the color below. And for example, I will change it to become black and apply to it and voila, this is the output. And after that, this greeting card will be ready to be downloaded. You can click this, it's like the export or upload on the top right corner. Click this and after that you can click download. And if you want to download it for free, you can change the format to be JPEG here and click download. And after that, it will be ready, saved into your gallery and ready to be sent. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful and don't forget to try this Canva with your device and please let us know in the comment section how this Canva work into your device. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.